Learn from Jesus. There will be world peace. Everyone longs to live in a world where there is peace. Throughout history, world leaders have made efforts to restore peace where it is lacking. Sometimes their efforts bring relief for a time. But sadly, conflict often returns. Will world peace ever be realized? Yes. Consider what we can learn from Jesus. What Jesus will do. The Bible shows what Jesus will soon do to bring world peace. Jesus will be called Prince of Peace. To the increase of his rulership and to peace, there will be no end. As the ruler of God's kingdom, Jesus will establish global peace that will never end. He will rescue the poor who cry for help and whoever has no helper. Jesus will use his authority to establish true justice, ending all warfare, violence, and suffering. Nation will not lift up sword against nation, nor will they learn war anymore. Under Jesus' rule, all humans will learn the ways of peace rather than of war. What Jesus taught. Even today, Jesus' teachings are helping millions live peaceably. In his famous Sermon on the Mount, Jesus taught principles that promote peace in everyday life. Consider a few examples. Happy are the peacemakers. Jesus encouraged his followers not only to avoid conflict but also to make peace. First make your peace with your brother, and then come back and offer your gift. Jesus urged his listeners to settle disputes quickly. He taught that making peace with others is essential to our having a good relationship with God. Stop judging that you may not be judged. Jesus warned against harsh or hypocritical judgment, which can lead to conflict. Rather than finding fault, Jesus taught his followers to keep on forgiving the shortcomings of their fellow man. People around the world are applying Jesus' teachings. Even in areas plagued by violence or division, they are learning to resolve conflicts without anger, to be forgiving, and to show love even when others act unkind. Noah. If you are one of those interested in learning more about God's message for mankind, please request for a personal visit on the link provided in the description. Thank you.